What's up, YouTube? Steve with another cereal video. This time I picked up a couple boxes of post Duncan cereal. We got mocha latte and caramel macchiato. Bold move making coffee themed cereals rather than donut themed cereals, but let's get to it. We're going to start with the mocha latte. And there's a cool little timeline on the back of this one. It says Dunkin' Donuts was originally called Open Kettle in 1948, changed its name to Dunkin' Donuts in 1950. And I've opened up this and it does smell like coffee. I mean, coffee isn't exactly for kids. So, like I said, bold mood for cereal. We got two different things. A little marshmallow and some chocolate pieces. Alright, let's get some milk on this. And while I eat some, watch this old Duncan commercial.
Dunkin' Donuts are always fresh and come in more varieties than supermarkets. But we like to make sure.
Do you have delicious chocolate frosted donuts like Dunkin' Donuts?
No.
Do you have 5 pounds of jelly donuts?
No. Ma'am.
Were you made fresh this morning?
No. Go. Dunkin' Donuts. Up to 52 varieties made fresh day and night. No supermarket should say that.
Okay. Now I'm doing a mocha latte right now. And I mean, I like coffee and chocolate. It's I smell the aroma of coffee more than I taste it, but it's a decent chocolate cereal. And just like all chocolate cereals, you can see the milk gets a little chocolatey. Now, let's go for the other one here. I really liked it. I'm a big fan of coffee ice cream, stuff like that. If you like something like that, you might like Dunkin' cereal. Oh, now there's again, just like with the last one, there's a big caramel smell this time. Caramel, whichever way you want to say it. I'll let's give the caramel macchiato a try. And another Dunkin' commercial.
Dunkin' Donuts knows it's not easy being a regular, everyday office worker. To prove it, we tried this experiment with Kiss the Class Case Freeman. What about the P&L statement?
I'll give you a P&L statement.
We are looking good.
Made for the regular, everyday folks.
Okay. Caramel macchiato. I like the mocha latte a little better. It's pretty much the same thing with just a little caramel taste. And I'd give the mocha latte 2 thumbs. Caramel, a thumb and a sideways thumb. But if you're feeling adventurous in the supermarket, check them out.